Welcome to the course, How Content Works, by Web Experts team. In this series you will come to know what it takes to do an effective content marketing. Hello, my name is Akanksha and I am going to talk about content marketing, a topic is being trending since a long time. So let's talk about what does it really mean in practice or in real life. What is content marketing? Content marketing is like a magnetic force that draws people towards your brand. It's a strategic approach that focuses on answering their burning questions, challenging their existing beliefs, and empowering them with knowledge. Rather than interrupting their day with intrusive ads, content marketing invites them into a world of valuable information and insights. By creating compelling content that resonates with their needs and desires, businesses can build trust, establish authority, and form genuine connections with their audience. It's about educating, entertaining, and inspiring, all while subtly guiding them towards the solutions they seek. In a noisy digital landscape, content marketing stands out as a beacon of value, attracting and engaging the right people who are not just passive consumers but active participants in your brand's journey. Let's look at two different types of content marketing. First is B2C and second is B2B. Content marketing in B2C is a strategic approach that utilizes engaging and valuable content to attract and connect with consumers. It focuses on educating, entertaining, and building relationships, ultimately driving brand awareness, loyalty, and conversions in the consumer market. Content marketing in B2B is a strategic approach that utilizes informative and valuable content to attract and engage business professionals. It aims to address their specific challenges, provide industry insights, and establish credibility, fostering trust and ultimately driving business leads and conversions in the B2B market. In short terms, content is anything your website, a blog, a story, a reel, etc. to create attraction across industries, so become master in storytelling and enhance your content marketing. The goal of content marketing is to attract and engage a target audience by providing valuable and relevant content. It aims to build brand awareness, establish credibility, nurture relationships, and drive profitable customer action. According to SEMrush report, almost 45% of respondents are using content marketing to fetch traffic to their website, 44% are considering to use it to increase brand awareness, 35% are willing to use content marketing to generate leads, and 25% are willing to generate revenue. As you see, content marketing do a lot for your brand. So, what is content marketing not? It's not the other people see about your brand through earned media. However, earned media is a great way to build credibility and can be used to build relationship and brand awareness. What is an effective content marketing? Effective content marketing involves creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and engage a target audience. It focuses on delivering information, solving problems, and providing value to the audience, ultimately driving profitable customer action and achieving business goals. So, the question is, can advertising is a content marketing? Advertising is great to promote content marketing but is not as same as content marketing. Content marketing is a strategic marketing approach that aims to captivate and retain a specific audience by consistently delivering valuable and relevant content. By understanding the target audience's needs and providing them with valuable information, content marketing builds trust and fosters long-term relationships with customers. Advertising can be a component of content marketing strategy, but not exactly a content marketing. How can content marketing drive sales? By putting your brand in front of your customers. Content marketing is a powerful strategy that positions your brand directly in front of your customers, driving sales and shortening the buying process. By establishing frequency bias and providing comprehensive answers to their why questions through diverse content formats and topics, you demonstrate your value and become the clear choice in their minds. Remember, repetition drives revenue. Let's know some key points of content marketing strategy. First is, know your target audience. Second is, analyze your data, decide in which the content format suits your audience. Third is, have a SEO strategy. Last but not the least, track your metrics. Tracking your progress is the best way to measure how your strategies are working. So, take a time to build your strategy, and if you need any help you can visit our website webexpertsteam.com. Link is in the video description. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us on the journey of discovering content marketing strategy. If you like the information, don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. We will meet in the next video.